Hi everyone, welcome to our latest episode. Today we are going to be talking about exosomes and PDRN, why they are trending, what they are, and how do they help your skin. If you like to see more of this content, make sure you like and subscribe and follow our channel. So, exosomes and PDRN, why are they trending and why are they so popular? Today we're going to dive deep into the science behind exosomes, what they do for your skin. PDRN is also called salmon sperm, and we're going to talk a little bit about that today too. So exosomes, what are they? Exosomes help to stimulate your skin cells to talk to each other and help with repairing fine lines, wrinkles, helps your skin heal. Exosomes are derived from stem cells, so they're natural. It helps your skin heal from invasive treatments like microneedling, RF microneedling, or laser treatment. It helps with improving your texture. It helps with brightening your skin, improving fine lines and wrinkles. This is a natural way to stimulate your collagen and repair your skin cells. That's why they're so popular and they're trending, because they are derived from stem cells, which is a natural way for your skin to heal.
And PDRN is a natural molecule that's going to help regenerate your skin. It's actually derived also from salmon sperm, so it's going to help with your skin looking fresher, glower, plumper, more hydrated. So it's almost like a skin booster. So a lot of people are excited about it because it's the most natural regenerative science that we're heading into. So if you have any questions, reach out to us and we'd love to answer them.
So exosomes, PDRN, why are they so trendy? Why are they so popular? And why are they all over TikTok? So first of all, everyone wants to do treatments that are natural, heal their skin fast, and have really good results. Both of these treatments help with healing your skin. They're a natural way to do it, stimulating collagen, and this is the future of regenerative aesthetic medicine. Things like exosomes, PDRN, skin boosters, Sculptra. This helps your skin heal naturally.
So both exosomes and PDRN are usually used to support healing your skin. So when we do microneedling, we do Morpheus 8 with radio frequency, it helps regenerate that skin, the cell cycles, to heal faster, to look smoother, and to overall give you that more fresher appearance. Think of that cell cycle building so fast that your skin feels so smooth and heals so quickly.
Thank you guys for watching today's episode. Make sure you like and subscribe and follow our channel for the latest tips on skincare and what's trending. And if you have a topic that you want to learn more about, make sure to put it in the comments.
Thanks.